These are the instructions for copying an angle that you are given. So I start off with just an obtuse angle, and the reason I chose an obtuse angle is I want you to know that it'll work for obtuse and acute. It will also work for right angles and straight angles also. So if you did have a 180-degree angle or a straight line, you can technically bisect it. And that actually becomes one of our other constructions that we'll see later. So the first thing, just like copying a line segment, you're going to start off with a ray. We've got to give myself a starting point for the new angle. So start off with an endpoint and then a ray going off in one of the directions. Now what you want to do is, with a lot of our angle constructions, what we're going to start off is with the compass setting pretty much at any radius that you want, and you're going to draw an arc so that it intersects both sides of the original angle. Alright, so I have it intersecting twice. And now what I want to do is I want to repeat this process down here, but I don't know where to end it because I don't have the other side just yet. So I'm going to overestimate it. I'm going to go a little bit wider than I probably need to go. And I get this right here. Now the next step is you have these two new intersection points right here. Here's 1 and here's 2. So I'm going to use the compass to measure exactly how far apart those two intersection points are. So I open the compass to figure out the width, and I have it right there. And now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to do the exact same thing. I want to find where that intersects the arc that I made. And it's a good thing I overestimated because I actually almost ran out of space. So now this intersection point is going to tell me how to connect the vertex. So I line up the vertex of my new angle with that intersection point, and I will draw that ray in. And I have created two congruent angles. And I can actually test this. And so I drew one a little bit bigger than the other, so I'm actually going to test the measurements. So my original angle is about 124 degrees. And my new angle, hopefully it's at least close. Oh wow, it's almost exactly, yeah, 124 degrees again. Alright, good. So I was pretty accurate, but it does look a little bit wider on the bottom, but that's alright.